Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you in this video whether you can download Google Play Store on your iPhone. Write whether this video helped you, as well as my solution, and whether you also managed to do as I will show you now. If you still have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Here I go. In order for you and I to do, as there is on Android is the Google Play Store. We will need to go to any browser on the iPhone to do this. I have Safari. And then write Google Play Store in the search box. Find Google Play. Open it, that is, open any page. As you can see here, we have Google Play Store. Well, how to make it as an application as if we are doing it on Android. When we open Google Play in the side found the page. You and I on the iPhone click, or on the iPad on this share. Here we have a new menu. We scroll down to the bottom, and we click Add to Home Screen. Next we need to remove this name, and leave just Google Play. After that click Add. As you can see, I got everything on the home page. Click Google Play is downloading. As you can see, we were able to download and install Google Play on our iPhone. Now we can switch between apps, movies, books. We can select any apps and install them as if we were on an iPhone. But we can do it in the Play Market. But we need to sign in to our Google account. Click Sign In. Sign out Google account. And after that, we can use it to show our friends, to brag about what we have Google Play Store. Both on Android and absolutely on any iPhone. If you liked this video, you have everything there and helped. Then be sure to subscribe to the channel, put likes. But if you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will be sure to read and answer all. Thank you. Goodbye.